how Easyrider tool can help you overcome with those challenges and make you have the double experience.
There's something about this guy I just can't live alone, so tell me, babe, what's it gonna be? He said you don't know what you miss. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Jasmine, Ha Giang, and my name is Thuy. And today I'm going to share for you how to double experience when you go to the Ha Giang Loop with Easyrider. Let's go! If you are looking for adventure, culture or unforgettable memories, then you are in the right place. Many travelers visit Ha Giang Loop and face great field challenge. The roads are difficult to navigate. Local customs are hard to understand and they miss out the hidden game where they don't know where to go. Sound familiar? And today I'm going to sharing for you 5 ways how Easyrider tool can help you overcome with those challenges and make you have the double experience. Stay with me until the end of the video and then I promise I will give for you the best valuable tip for your next adventure. Number 1. Traveling with local expert. First, traveling with local Easyriders means you have someone who knows every road, every hidden corner, and on the best of Ha Giang roads can be tricky. But Easyrider are experienced who driver ensure you are safe and comfortable. For example, when I traveled with an Easyrider, he took me to a hidden waterfall that not on any map. It's just me, the water and nature, a memory I never forget. Number 2. Stress-free and safe travel. Ha Giang Loop is one of the most difficult roads you will have in Vietnam. That's the reason safety is a big concern for traveling. With Easyrider, you no need to worry about it because your Easyrider was born in the Ha Giang Loop. They know every corner, they know every road, and they are definitely professional driver. Relax and focus on enjoying the views instead of stressing about maps or worrying about accidents. You can get fully appreciate the majestic beauty of Dong Van Coast Plateau or legendary Ma Pileng Pass. If safety is your concern, trust me, Easyrider tool is your solution. Number 3. Discover the local cuisine and culture. One of the best parts about traveling with Easyriders is opportunity to experience authentic local culture. They will take you to family-owned restaurants where you can try the specialty food. During my tour, my Easyrider introduced me to a local family. We eat together, share stories, and laugh over cups of homemade happy water. It feels like being a part of their family. And number 4. Connecting with international travelers. Another advantage of joining an Easyrider tour is the chance to meet fellow travelers from all around the world. Easyrider tours are popular among backpackers and adventurers, so it's easy to make a new friend. On my last tour, I met people from UK, Australia and Germany. By the end of the trip, we are singing karaoke together at the homestay and had a great memory for my life, and I found the best friend. 5. See more in less time. Finally, Easyriders help you make the most of your time in Ha Giang Loop. They know the most efficient routes and can plan your journey to cover all the highlights from Lũng Cú Flag Tower to stunning views in Ma Pidang Park. With their experience, you will see twice as much as you would on your own. Travel with local experts, stress-free and safe travel, enjoy local food and culture, meet new people all around the world, and see more in the less time. If you want to turn your Ha Giang Loop trip into unforgettable memories, I highly recommend you book the Ha Giang Loop Tour with the Easyrider. For my personal experience, traveling with Easyrider makes my trip is safe, meaningful and fun. If you are considering about visiting Ha Giang Loop, the Easyrider tour is best for you. If you have any experience with the Ha Giang Loop before, don't forget to leave the comment, share for me in the below here. And if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to press the button like here, share the video and subscribe my channel. See you!